Hey, Pacie.
Hi.
Oh, hey, Pacers.
Hi.
Today is March 14th. And Pacie, why are you wearing glasses today?
Because.
Oops.
Hey, both of you guys.
Oh, you want to look like that, Ryan? Let me see. Oh, how cute. So silly. So we're back today for her birthday countdown.
Woo woo.
Woo woo.
How many more days till my birthday?
Well, today is March 14th, right? So, what? 12 more days.
Oh my god.
Alrighty, you ready to get started?
Before we get started, look who I have today.
Who is that? Policeman Ryan? Oh
My god, why are you all guys so grumpy today?
Oh, you're gonna have to move him anyway because you have to open up that box, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty,
Okay.
let's get started.
Okay, let me just dump it right on the floor.
Oh.
Oh, let me just grab this guy. Alabama Ryan.
Alright, hurry up, baby girl.
Hurry up. Okay. Oh my god. How many Ryan? Wait, that's so far. I have a little bit of a Ryan squad for a moment.
A Ryan squad?
Yeah, right like this.
Alright, which
Okay.
window over there are you gonna
I'm
open?
gonna open the top one.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm gonna open this one.
Okay, go.
This is right here. Oh, right here.
Let's
Here we go.
get you'll catch rubbers.
Oh my god, this almost looks like Donald Trump.
It looks like Donald Trump.
I mean, it looks like George Washington.
George Washington.
Look at the hair.
Oh my goodness. How cute is that?
I think they can find him on my own.
Yeah, I think you can.
Right there.
Where's he from?
Virgil.
Virginia.
Okay.
Let me see him.
I'm not gonna. Oh my god, wanna see his back?
Yeah, George Washington Ryan. That's so cute.
I
And
never
he's from
seen-
the state. He's representing the state of Virginia. Alrighty. Is there anything else you want to tell your Pacers before we go?
So like, do you know how? So like, I have so much Ryan so far, and guess what? Remember this one?
Oh yeah, the golden one.
That's my favorite.
That's awesome. Alrighty, friends.
Thank you everyone. Watch the video. Bye bye. Just say, like, and subscribe. Click the bell, please. Ryan style.